Tech Wars, Business Ideas for AI with Smart Cities. Here are some business ideas for products and services using AI with smart cities. AI-powered data analytics platforms that provide actionable insights for urban planning and development in smart cities. Smart parking solutions that use AI to optimize parking space allocation and improve parking management in urban areas. AI-driven energy management systems that help businesses in smart cities optimize energy consumption and reduce costs. Smart building automation solutions that leverage AI to enhance energy efficiency, security, and comfort in commercial buildings. AI-powered predictive maintenance services that help businesses proactively identify and address maintenance needs in their infrastructure. AI-based customer engagement platforms that provide personalized experiences and improve customer satisfaction for businesses in smart cities. AI-driven supply chain optimization solutions that enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve logistics in smart city environments. Smart waste management systems that use AI to streamline waste collection, sorting, and recycling processes for businesses. AI-enabled asset tracking and management solutions that help businesses in smart cities monitor and optimize their assets' performance and utilization. AI-powered security systems that enhance the safety and surveillance of business premises in smart city environments. Smart retail solutions that leverage AI to personalize customer experiences, optimize inventory management, and enhance sales performance. AI-driven marketing and advertising platforms that enable businesses to target and engage customers effectively in smart cities. AI-powered inventory management systems that optimize stock levels, reduce wastage, and improve supply chain efficiency for businesses. Smart payment solutions that use AI for secure and seamless transactions in smart city environments. AI-based workforce management systems that optimize staffing levels, schedules, and productivity for businesses in smart cities. AI-powered data security and privacy solutions that help businesses protect sensitive information in smart city ecosystems. Smart logistics platforms that leverage AI to optimize routes, streamline deliveries, and improve overall supply chain operations. AI-enabled customer service solutions that provide personalized and efficient support to businesses' clients in smart cities. AI-driven demand forecasting and inventory planning solutions that help businesses optimize their supply and demand dynamics in smart cities. Smart asset tracking and monitoring systems that use AI to improve asset utilization and prevent losses for businesses in smart cities. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.